So yeah, what's up, everybody? So today so first of all, my name is Prabhat Singh, and today I'm going to tell you about a easy and stack related problem. Uh, so how stack reduce your time complexity from big of n square to n? So let's see how. And you might know not for this problem. So using of stack reduce your time complexity very much. So big of n square is too much time complex, too much time. But big of n is as you know already, big of n square and difference between big of n. So that's it. Power of stack. So let's see how we implement in this problem. So problem name is valid parenthesis as already in thumbnail you assume or confident about the problem. So let's share my screen. Yeah. So we are here. So first of all, let's see what is the problem statement is. So we are given a valid parenthesis. So we have to just find out. So uh, just read it, but I tell you what's the question asking for us. Suppose we have this. So this is a valid or not? Yeah, because this and this are. So every time we have to see the pair. If there is pair is exist, then this is a valid parenthesis. So let me tell you how. So let's see for two examples. Let's first go with examples, then what? Then we proceed with this our brute force approach and then our optimize approach. So so this is so let me give my example, which you like, I think. So so I give you two examples. You have to tell me which is valid parenthesis and which is not. Mm, hmm. So you have to tell me which one is valid. So let's first thinking if yeah, everyone say this is invalid, this is valid. Yeah, because I have take time to build this. Yeah, so this is a trick. If someone makes question with you, and if it is too much time taking, then always hide this answer because it is assuming by him. So let's see this. So this one is get out. This one is then get out and get out. Everyone get out. Stake becomes zero. So yeah, so don't go the code format, just for the what thinking process. So this will be pair. So pop out, pair, pair, pop out, pop out, pop out. So now let's see why this is not valid. So we are going, and this will pair, pop out. We are going, pop out. We are getting this. So after this, we are left with this. So this will be our what blocker. So this is invalid. So I think you are understand how we differentiate between valid and invalid. And let's see first our brute force approach. So what do you do? Generally, what we do after seeing this problem. So we take this. Hmm, we take this. Sorry. Uh, then what we do with this? Hmm. There will be some if else condition. Also not going with yeah, we run a loop for this and always check with this particular thing, just like with some condition. You have to apply also conditions. What do you do now? We take this C, suppose this element, and you check always. Uh, then again with this element, yeah, pair, then pop out and break. And uh, and take a count also. Okay. And you take a count also. I am not going that optimized way. Just go with brute force. How we think that solution before going to that step. People are jumping off that step thing, but they don't understand. They don't go with this technique first. I don't know why. So let's see. I know optimization is the best way, but brute force is your thinking process. You have to always think first brute force. Always. Because if you don't build the first step, then how can you directly jump to the 100 step? That's the thing. Mm. Yeah. I take a count and I iterate over it. So if I then my three conditions are there. Uh, this. So first of all, I take a loop. Uh, uh, so uh, 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 so it's a very complicated way because if I got this, suppose I got first iteration of this element, I got first element like this. So what you have to check? So first of all, you have to check. mm, uh, 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 First of all, you have to check six conditions: open, close, open. Let not go for the open also. Close, close, close. And one more thing. Uh, Always apply this technique with the open one. So if you're so it's very complicated, but let's think then build. Because these techniques are just one step ahead. You got the optimized solution. That's why I'm telling that please think first. Don't jump. That stake. Don't jump. Yeah, we are thinking in that direction that we take this and we always compare with their or close brackets. Then how we confirm that this one is there or not? So we build a function. Suppose let me clear it first. So if always apply, I am applying this technique, for my open brackets. So if I found anywhere my open, then I always think first, is there any close bracket? If I get some close bracket or not, because already I have open brackets in my stack. I pushed it or what I did, that's a code part. Don't think this. Suppose you have already this in your stack. Let's suppose stack. So what you are now searching for? The open, the close one. So if I found anywhere close, I just convert this to this type of thing, opening type of thing. Let's suppose if I found somewhere closed, this is the symbol of closed. So I just convert it to open. So why I did this? So now I am comparing that thing to this. That if this is uh, the same or not, if this is same or not, if this is same or not. So if the this element is matching with that, then I simply say, nah, yeah, I found a pair. Because anyway, I just converted, not doing anything extra. I just convert this to this. So yeah, that's a way I proceed with the optimization. So I'm not telling that brute force because I also got confused in some point, but uh, we proceed with that optimization thing. Yeah, we are much closer there. mm, on the way of optimization. And I think we've already done everything. Just conversion and the swapping. If we find that these are same, just so I told you that we have array, so we pop out. And let me tell you, after what happened now. So just give me an example. Suppose this one is your example, and you are pushing this, and we got this. So what happened? Our this one inverse to this. So is this same? So I just pop out. So my array is empty. Then again I found this element. I pushed it, and I just convert. Then I pop out for this also. So at the end, what did I left with? So I left with just what simple array. That's it now. We left with only empty array. But there is a one more case. You got it or not? I just tell you. What happen if this will happen there? So now let's see what happened. Uh, okay. Hmm. Huh. So now what happens here? You just got worried that is this so let me give you one more. Yeah, is this odd number? Because anyway, if you found anywhere odd number, that's just invalid. Simple. Yeah, because how can we pair now if there is odd something? Then there is no pair. Simple. Pairing means we have to even number. Two things are pair, not single. Single doesn't pair. Two things, this will be a pair. So let's see why I'm giving the edge cases. Suppose you find like this. So I'm just telling you one thing. If your array is empty, then simply you what? Simply what you did uh, true, but you are wrong in this case. Let's see how. So I got this. I push it to array and I found this. Then I just inverse and compare this. This one is so I always push the opening one. I tell you now, I just push opening one and compare with the close one. So is this element true? Yeah, pop out. My array is empty. I just push this and again I just convert this. Again I just convert this. So I pop out from this. Just to wait a second. My voice is little bit. How to pause the video? I don't know. Yeah, there is pause. So I just get this and just after getting this, I just pop out. So now let's see this for this. Is this true? No. We are left with this string and we are not pushing to that array because we are always comparing with the opening one. So now it's cancelled. So what I did for this, I just put a count variable and if my counting is not zero at that point, so I just what my array is also empty and my count should be empty, should be zero. So now that's my edge case. So we are good to go with the code. So let me code it. Yeah, my voice is little fluctuating. I don't know why. I also suffered this. Because when I heard recording, sometimes it's speaking, sometimes voice become large. Why I don't know. Let's see. So let's see the how we proceed this. So I told you about conversion. So let first convert. Conversion. So we got our string from there. So if this one is is close one. Always compare with the close one, then return. So what will happen? Return is simple. As if why it's happening? I don't know why everything goes uh so let me put off my yeah. Now you got some voice also. This headphone become ear become so pain for wearing this headphone. So anyway, mm, yeah. So this is my conversion. So if I put something, just like I told you, now always compare with the close one, not the opening one. Opening one will be posted in our array. So now I come to the array thing. Let stack. So you got the feel of stack now. What is stack? Stack is just nothing. First in, no, leave last in first up, because every element uh just put the last. So always compare stack like a what container. So we put, and the last one that got that come first one. Just like put a we just like we take out pickles or pickles. You loved it or not. Sometimes I also love pickles. I'm not talking about pickles. Book container. So if you are rich, then you have Almira, but we just we poor people like just take the thing, and we learn stake from our childhood. And then I implement this now. So let's see see this how we know stake from my childhood. Always stake the book, this manner, and always put the mathematics last, because I took mathematics first. That's right. So I know stick from my childhood, but if you are rich, you don't know stick because you have Almira. So how can you know stick? Yeah, that's it. Mhm. If so, now compare with your opening one. So opening have three cases only, just this one or sorry. If yes, of I. So JavaScript. This is JavaScript simple. And don't confuse with your code language, programming language, sorry. If you are Java, Python, whatever the languages you know. So just give me some times. This one is so much time taking thing, because my typing is good, but for the this elements just like bracket, it's not good. Yeah, that's it. So we just push this through what stack. As so now I told you now always comparing this thing, but I forgot one thing. Let count. This one is the each case, so everyone have to remember this case. This is the beautiful case. So so let convert it is equals to what was the name conversion. Okay, my lead code also giving me suggestion. It conversion is equals to what s of I, and if converted is not equal to stack. So now this is zero based indexing. That's why I have to put minus one. So just count. So this is one is your edge cases handle. This thing will always handle your edge cases. And if there is something there, then just pop up. So now, if my count and end state dot sorry length is 0, then simply what you have to do, return else what run it. See this. Hmm. Hmm. Everything goes right. Yeah, right. Then what? Oh, oh. But this one also get reflected. Wow. So I got an idea from there. This one is the tricky thing. Not put 0. This. Yeah, it will be accepted 100%. I will close my eyes. I'll close my eyes. Yes. So this one is the optimization thing. So you might think after seeing this, no, for this not. There is some cases for stake also. You think that goes to answer, but no, it's just limited for n. So we got our solution from here. So I hope you like this. If you like this, then give the like and also share it to your friends and subscribe my channel. Yeah. So today is Sankranti. Today is or tomorrow. In my house, it's tomorrow. If someone has today, then happy Sankranti. And if it's tomorrow, then I will give you a good problem tomorrow. Generate parenthesis. I announce. Okay, announcement. Generate parenthesis to because I give the hint from easy to medium. I think generate parenthesis is a medium. So you got an idea from this and this. So Saturday and Sunday, 2 days for the DSA of my life. Yeah. So please subscribe it if you like this, and also share it to your friends. So many people watch this, then okay, someone. Uh, so you got idea. Uh, anyway, so till then, take care and enjoy food. I think you heard somewhere this meme, enjoy food. I don't tell you. So yeah, enjoy food and bye. Take care. Bye.